Awukho ready for le video cause you still believe ukuthi South Africa is free. So ngiyacela please just skip. And for laba decide ukuthi bazoyibuka sanibonani ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. They told us ukuthi apartheid has ended. They told us ukuthi we are free. Kodwa what if I told you mina ukuthi every single black president eseke saba nayo since 1994 iyahamba iye England iyobhawa phansi kwequeen or iking ifunge ukuthi no matter what happens akasoze aphazamisa umsebenzi. Umnotho, wealth will always belong to isitha. Before the eyes of the crown and in the silence of the empire, I kneel not as a sovereign, but as a steward of Her Majesty's interest in the South. I bind my voice, my will, and the fates of my people to the eternal service of the realm. The gold beneath their feet, the diamonds in their soil, the waters in their rivers, and the labor of their hands, these shall not rise against the order. Let them believe in justice, let them believe in choice. But I know and I swear there is no choice. For the true rulers are faceless, eternal, and draped in velvet silence, and to them I offer my silence in return. Their freedom shall be spoken, but never lived. Their power shall be promised, but never given. I shall guard the lie, feed the machine, and silence the stirrings of truth. Lalela mntomnyama, uyavota wena. Abekwe umuntu esikhundleni athembise ukuthi uzokuthuthukisa wena as umntomnyama, and then a month later ahamba eEngland ayosho the secret oath ayofunga phansi kwequeen neking ukuthi akasoze aphazamisa umsebenzi. Umnotho, iwealth yase South Africa will always be in the hands of isitha. Ngomhla ka-10 May 1994 Nelson Mandela was elected as the first black president yase South Africa. And then June 1994, a month later, wahamba waye England. Wahamba wayoma phansi kwequeen of England. Wafunga wathi akasoze aphazamisa umsebenzi. Wealth will always belong to isitha. Ngomhla ka-16 June 1999, uThabo Mbeki was elected as the second